This is a video on how to capture your audio which is playing on your system. You may be playing music, you may be playing a podcast or watching YouTube, some discussion that you may want to hear. You can record it using a program called Audacity. The first thing to do is go to Google, search Audacity, go to download, you should be able to view your download. Here is an exe file. You have different versions of it. You have Audacity here. I have already installed Audacity, so I'm not going to reinstall it. The next thing that you may want to do is enable your audio devices. Now you will go and select Manage Audio Devices. You have a number of devices here, playback devices. That's what I'm looking at right now. And let's select recording. Now sometimes you may not find stereo mix. If you don't find that, this is what you do. Show disabled devices. If you select that, you should be able to see this. Once you see the stereo mix, you should enable it. At the moment, I'm just going to disable it because I already have my microphone set up. Next, we'll fire up Audacity. The MME should be selected here. You can select the speakers that it's playing here. Typically, you don't have to have the microphone. You are using the microphone Microsoft Sound Mapper, and it should be stereo input. Let's go and select an audio file from the web. What I'm going to do right now is record this conversation that is being played on YouTube. And in order to do that, I'm going to disconnect my microphone. I am going to enable the stereo mixer so that I can record the system audio. That's what I'm doing right now. I right click on the properties and select show the unselected devices, enable it, and I'm good to go. Before I start the audio, I click record and start the audio after that so that the recording starts simultaneously.
Here I am in chemistry class, surrounded by people telling me.
Here you can see the audio that has been captured by Audacity. You can save this file and export it to MP3.
Here I am in chemistry class, surrounded by people telling me.
We have just captured the audio from the video file played in YouTube. So you could record any of the conversations or podcasts which you may want to listen for your personal needs, or it could be even a lesson. So this is how you can do that. Now the next thing you may want to do is export this file. After proper editing, you can use Audacity, edit the file appropriately, and then you can actually export it. Here I'm going to export it and I'm going to save it. You can add the tags here, name, track, etc., and you can actually save it and your MP3 file is saved. Go to my music and I did a test. Yep, here it is. It's an MP3 file. Open with Windows Media Player. The audio that you just heard, you heard over the speakers that was being played. If you hear it directly, it's much better. So this is how you can record an audio or anything that is playing in your system and capture it using Audacity and convert it to an MP3 file. The audio that you heard may not be of very good quality. That's because the originating audio is not as good. If the audio that you're recording is quite good, then the quality of the MP3 file that you create will also be good. That's it for now. If you like the video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.